we've discussed classical marketing strategy. पर आगे क्या होगा? What is the future of marketing strategy? Will AI change everything? Hi, I'm Abhishek Jhingan and let's get started. First of all, is it possible to predict the future? मुश्किल है simply because of two reasons. Number one, फ्यूचर इन एनी वे अगर हम प्रिडिक्ट करेंगे काफी गैस वर्क हो जाता है. नंबर टू, मार्केटिंग का फ्यूचर प्रिडिक्ट करना मुश्किल इसीलिए है बिकॉज मार्केटिंग इज अ वेरी ब्रॉड एंड वास्ट फील्ड. सो टू प्रिडिक्ट फॉर समथिंग विच इज सो वास्ट सो ब्रॉड इज फ्रॉट विद डेंजर. क्या करें बट व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स वी कैन टेक? सबसे पहले हम एक करेंगे, वी विल यूज अ क्लासिकल मार्केटिंग फ्रेमवर्क so that we are as close to guessing or estimating the future as possible. Let's get started and do this and figure out a solid way to look at how marketing will be in the future. आगे वाले टाइम में क्या होने वाला है? So the classical marketing model that we will use is the marketing mix. There are three disruptions which we can see today in the 4 P's or the marketing mix. Once you have a differentiated product, let's look at place. जो हमारी distribution system है उसमें there is a tremendous change which has happened because of e-commerce. No longer do I need to have a presence in 2 or 3 lakh retailers. आज मैं सिर्फ 20 या 25,000 यूनिट से मैं 4 cities के customers के पास जा सकता हूं thanks to e-commerce. Because of this, I save distribution cost. I save cost of having personnel who reach out to various distribution outlets. There are layers of distribution channels that I have kind of circumvented, जो मैंने almost nullify कर दिया है अब. The second P, promotion. Now suddenly you see that I can promote to one suburb in Mumbai, okay, a Ghatkopar in Mumbai or a Bada Bazaar in Calcutta. Why? Because of digital marketing. इससे क्या फर्क पड़ा है? सबसे पहले मेरी मैसेजेस अब पर्सनलाइज्ड हैं. Secondly, not only personalized messages, now suddenly I can have interaction with customers. This was not possible earlier. Thirdly, and it's clearly evident, right? First, for even having we used to call HSM markets or Hindi speaking markets of India, for having a TV campaign you needed 4 or 5 crores for a TVC, for a TV commercial to be shot and broadcast, and this had to be done 3 or 4 times a year. तो आप सोचिए 15 से 20 करोड़ सिर्फ एक पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया को एक टीवीसी ब्रॉडकास्ट करने में जाता था. टुडे दैट्स नो लॉन्गर द गेम. सो द काइंड ऑफ मनी दैट यू आर सेविंग नाउ, स्मॉलर प्लेयर्स बट गुड प्लेयर्स can think of marketing their product across India, starting small and then going big. Thirdly, now come to the third P in this discussion, which is price. You have already seen the kind of savings that a person has. Now suddenly you can have smaller batches of more products. Your pricing strategy can be different. E-commerce platforms and also regular. It's not as if the regular marketing will stop, but all in all you can have different pricing strategies. So you see these 3 P's which are telling us 3 ways in which, or 3 parts of marketing which is going to define the future. अब example से समझते हैं. Let us look at the handicraft, the traditional handicraft industry which is so prevalent in the smaller towns and villages in India. एक टाइम होता था और अभी भी आपको अपना प्रोडक्ट सिर्फ, जो कोई बढ़िया सा हैंडीक्राफ्ट है, आप सिर्फ अपने एरिया, विलेज, डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आप इसको बेच सकते थे. नाउ, और इफ यू वांटेड टू गो अहेड, यू हैव टू गिव इट टू समवन एल्स एंड दे वुड टेक अ हेफ्टी मार्जिन एंड यू वुड गेट पेड मच लेसर. नाउ देयर इज अ बिग चेंज. आज आप अपना प्रोडक्ट कहीं भी दिखा सकते हो, किसी पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया आप दिखा सकते हो और कैश ट्रांजैक्शन हो सकता है और मनी अब पैसा सीधे आपके अकाउंट में आ जाएगा. Why only India? Even across the globe, this, friends, is not a small change. For a huge country like India with so many talented people, there's a massive change which is happening. Secondly, similarly, for painters, for content writers who are dependent on the big big media galleries and big publishing houses, today they can put it all out there for free. If they are good and with some patience, their work can get recognized. First, their overall work and their caliber is shown. फिर सबको लगता है यार ये बंदा, ये बंदी बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं, फिर उनके प्रोडक्ट पे आ जाएंगे. And then again the transactions can take place. Let us look once again at the cloud kitchen for home cooked food. जो ट्रेडिशनल छोटे घर हैं जो चाहते हैं कि मेरा ट्रेडिशनल कुकिंग बाकी लोग टेस्ट करें, आज आपके पास मीडिया है जहां आप इसके बारे में बात कर सकते हो, एडवर्टाइज कर सकते हो. एफर्ट है, पैसा है, बट इट्स अ लॉट more easier today, so the smaller businesses can thrive. It is still effort, you still need to understand marketing, but you can see how marketing and businesses are progressing. ये बहुत बड़ा change है which is happening right now, and this will dictate the future. Now we have seen how more and more people will be accessing marketing in a different way. ये थोड़े smaller player थे. What about the big players? What impact will the future of marketing? What are the challenges and opportunities that larger organizations will happen? I will talk about a few areas where larger organizations have to be very careful. Number one, competition. You have seen now how even smaller companies and organizations and even groups of people or individuals can have products right out there, they can market them. So this is going to be a huge competition issue. Second, this kind of new age marketing, digital marketing is being handled by youngsters. These youngsters do not want to go for the normal job. 8 बजे तक आप बैठे रहो ऑफिस में क्योंकि बॉस बैठा हुआ है. ये दिन गए यार. This is a big change which is going to happen. How are you going to manage these kids today and who are going to be handling your marketing tomorrow? This is a big issue. Somewhere हमें रेडी होना है कि ये कैसे हम हैंडल करेंगे. Thirdly and again very importantly, न्यू एज मार्केटिंग इतना आसान नहीं है. कंटेंट क्रिएशन, buddy, trust me, is not. I have done marketing for 20 years. The old kind of content creation where you could, cut, copy, paste doesn't work. You need to work at this. आपको नए ideas जो आप में से आ रहे हैं आपको आगे डालना है in a very different way. This requires time and effort. Do our organizations have that skill today? What about even looking and finding out the competition that we've talked about? How are we going to figure this out? हमें पता कैसे लगेगा कि छोटे छोटे प्लेयर कैसे हमको नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं या कैसे हमसे compete कर रहे हैं? Friends, marketing change हो रहा है, बुरा नहीं है, बहुत अच्छी चीजें हो रही हैं, but we have to be prepared, and the first step is this: understanding how the change and where the changes are going to come. फिर हम मैनेज कर सकते हैं. ऐसी ही कटिंग एज मार्केटिंग और नए टॉपिक्स के लिए अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो, प्लीज डू फॉलो मी ऑन माई हैंडल्स. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.